your light, Squirrel?
Yes, sir, my man. How you doing?
I'm okay. How was your week, man? It's Friday evening.
Oh, man, my week was good. Don't want to even talk about the work. I want to talk about the potential.
Squirrel kicked ass in the detail shop this week. Tell them who you are, Squirrel.
I'm Squirrel, known all around the world. I've been saying that for about 30 years now.
And he's been kicking ass in the detail shop. This guy's been polishing aluminum to a brilliant chrome shine. We'll show you what he did. But I'm gonna let him take the floor here on this one. Here, hold the mic. Tell us about this bike here.
This bike here is a 1971, which is the year I was born, which makes me real happy to see the success of the day. You got to understand when I said about the success of the day. This is the Yamaha
DT1E.
DT1E.
David Thomas 1E.
It's a David Thomas's 1E. DTIF 32582. 2,500 cc's.
That's a big two-stroke, folks.
Now, what happens is that I think with all of my life experiences, that this is one of the most beautiful auction that I ever seen in my life. Why? Because we put a lot of work into this. And when it comes to work, it's special to me. And why it's special to me, I have a lot of character. And my man here definitely have a lot of character. It's not even about the potential of making money. It's about the potential of the bike. This is the potential. When I was a kid, I got to see something like this. And now today, I love it even more. The only reason why I love it even more, because I'm a junk man. Professional junk man at that.
If it was up to you, you'd scrap these.
I would have junked
it. We talked the other side of it, though, refurbishing them
instead of
scrapping them.
Yes, I would have junked it. So what happens is that I get a chance to say in my life, out of all of my work in 36 years, that this is a work of art. It's beautiful. You can get here, come here. It's emotional, mentally. Even for me as a person, I mean, there's no more destroying. We making the magic happen. There's no more destroying. We are making the magic happen. It's clean. It's beautiful. I mean, you can see all the potentials. I mean, like, come on, let's go. Come here if you need any parts for your bikes. And I promise you, it's special to us. It's special to you. And we can keep this going that way. You can't keep it going the other way. Thank you.
Thank you, Squirrel. You know, this is a classic 1971. You can see the bones. Yamaha was known. They were the tuning fork company. They made pianos, and they always put form had to be beautiful. The function had to be good, but they made a promise that they'd always make their bikes beautiful. This one is an excellent candidate. It's a good rolling chassis. The front end's good. It's got the headlight ears. It's got the tachometer and speedometer showing only 5,000 original miles. It's got the rear rack, the chrome rack. And look at the rear fender on it, Junior. That thing's perfectly straight. One other thing I got to point out about this bike, check it out. It's got a brand new rear tire on it, and it's got brand new, it looks like it has brand new spokes, and the rim's in really nice shape. So where'd this one come from, Junior? Do you know?
You know, we've bought out a couple collections of Yamaha Enduros, and this was in our inventory, and we have a bunch of motors actually laying around. I'm fairly certain that we have some 250 motors in the inventory that we were planning on rebuilding and making a restoration out of this one.
I don't know if that's the right seat to be on there, to be honest with you, but it has a passenger peg, has the toolbox. The frame is in good condition. The frame rails are perfectly straight on the bottom. The fork triple clamps, the original bars are in good shape. It has a brake perch, the clutch perch and clutch lever, and the clutch cable are intact. So again, another one we're going to let go. Somebody's got a 250 they're trying to restore. An older one, you need a front wheel, rear wheel. It's got a brand new tire on the rear. The front knobby is in good shape, and it's got a lot of potential. You know, so.
Hey. Look at the magic. You got to look at the magic. It's clean. It's telling you. It's telling you it's clean. It's original. And I mean it. It's original. It's clean.
Yep. It is clean. That's for sure. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I got another 60 classics being rolling over the auction block here today. Thanks for watching. We love you all. And God bless America.